Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool. So where you can draw best pictures for your research paper, especially flow charts, shapes, and that is impressive pictures in your research paper. So let us go on to today's video, and we will check what are the important templates available in this particular AI tool, and we will see how you can make flow diagrams and also different kinds of block diagrams using this particular AI tool. So before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing with AI tools. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different kinds of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Visily AI. So here this is the dashboard of this Visily AI. So here so this is the dashboard of this Visily AI. So here you can see you can do whatever you want. So you can start with templates, or you can create a blank board and you can draw diagrams, or you can start with AI to generate the content. So like that, there are different options are available. This is duplicate board. First we'll start out with our templates. So here these are the different templates for websites, etc. So going back, so here you can see these are the different kinds of diagram templates available in this Visily. So here you can see generic flow chart, generic user flow, onboarding flow. So next one is generic sitemap, next one is marketing website sitemap, generic organizational chart, software team organizational chart. Next is generic use case, jobs to be done. So next one SWOT analysis. So competitor comparison table, hot framework, so product roadmap. So there are different kinds of options are available in this. So and also there are unique options are available. So this is a unique kind of tool, so where you can draw pictures. So here you can see concept map, generic swimline diagram. So these are the unique things. So for example, if you want to use this template, so you can just click on this, use this template. So and you can edit whatever you want in this particular template, and you can download this template also. So download it as an image file also. So these are the different kinds of elements present in this particular Visily AI tool. So here you can see, so a group of screens are elements. So whatever the components and whatever the thing you want, so it is already available here. So you can use this Visily AI in order to generate in order to customize the particular templates. So according to your need, so you can add whatever you want. You say if you want to add this one, so you can add this. So like that, there are different kinds of options and different that is unique options are available. So you can make use of this option. So here you can see this are the templates. So for screens, apps, flows. So for flows, so here you can see this is how the flows will be. So you can use it for your website also. As far as diagrams is concerned, so here you can see diagrams and flow chart for this. So strategy map, so here you can have strategy and planning. So next one for meetings, so you will be having for meetings. So these are the three categories which will be helpful for us to make our academic presentation and academic writing even better. So for diagram and flow chart, so you can use this template. So whatever you want, you can use this template. There are different kinds of templates are available. So here these are the different templates available for diagram and flowchart, as we have seen. So for strategy and planning, so those who are belong to MBA department, so you can use this option. So jobs to be done, user journey map, SWOT analysis. So these are the different kinds of options. So just if you want to use these templates, so here this is the SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, and then opportunities and threats. So this is how you can do SWOT analysis. So apart from that, apart from this, you will be having different if you want to create a new one, so you can create, just click the option called empty screen. So you can create a new one by adding whatever the components you want. So these are the models are available. So you can use this model here wherever you want, and then so you can select the elements. So smart components, so these are the smart components are available. So this is how you can arrange the pictures and the representations in this particular Visily AI in order to customize whatever the diagram you want. And the important thing is that so you can use A in all the aspects. So you can use A. So here you can have an option. So generate a design from a screenshot, generate a design from a text, generate diagram from the text, generate prototype from a selection. So you can click this option. So here while using, if you want to generate or automate any pictures, so you have to go for upgrade option. So it will it will demand 10 credits. So for us, so it will have 200 A credits left. So as we have logged in, so it will 200 credits left. So you can select 2 to 10 screens. So based upon the screens, so it will generate that particular explanation. So whenever you are logged in, you will be given 200 free credits. So like that, you can use this Visily AI in order to generate a unique flowcharts and graphs and block diagrams for your research paper. So and also those who are designing websites, so this one will be a better option. So you can have different kinds of themes available here. So here in this option you can see elements, templates, icons, so for pictures, diagrams. So for example, if you want to make this model prototype presentation, so you can use this option. So the unique themes are the important options present in this Visily AI. So you can go on and explore. So as far as our research paper writing is concerned, there are different kinds of templates, especially for flow diagrams and also that analysis. So if you want to make analysis, there are different kinds of diagrams are available. So you can use that particular templates. So and use these templates for your customize accordingly using this particular elements and smart components, and make your writing very simple and make your pictures attractive using this particular Visily AI. Hope you can get an aware about Visily AI. Actually a Visily AI software is available before, so this will be a updated version. So even I have to explore many things, so I will make a brief video by doing a live pictures for your perusal. So you can check on this Visily AI for an awareness how to use these components and how to what are the important and unique templates are available. So thank you for watching our videos. Hope you can get an idea about this Visily AI. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.